Hey everybody, hi and welcome. So happy to be outside with you today along with my furry sidekicks. Zena is here, Wyatt is here. I've had them outside for a while so they're getting warm, huh? You getting hot? Thank you for the kiss. It is about 87 degrees out. It's hot today and it's still morning time. So I'm making the sidekicks work today. They're not used to this. Oh my, huh? They're not used to all this work. But we are excited because we have a loft haul for you today. And I found some really pretty pieces I'm hoping are going to work out for me. And I found some awesome prices all online because my store has nothing. If you guys have been able to get out to your stores yet, many of them are starting to reopen. I believe mine did open at my mall a couple weeks ago. Practicing social distancing, wearing your masks. Only so many people in the store at once. However, my store was the place where time stood still and still looked like it did at the end of February when I was there last. So they really didn't have anything new. So just like my last haul, this haul was, everything was online that I'm going to show you today. And I have the first item on already. So let's get right to it. First up, Zena now is very, what are you doing, Bubby? What? Where are you going? You went over here or you just went down? All right, so first up is this halter dress that I have on right now. I'm going to give you the price. I'm going to show it to you. And this is called the Tapestry halter dress. I got it for $35. I think everything was 50% off, if I'm not mistaken. I wanted to let you know I did buy this in a petite. So every once in a while, if it's going to be I think this was supposed to be a midi. And I don't want it to be too long. I will a lot of times adjust from buying an extra small regular to a small petite, and that is what I did in this dress. So let's get right to it and I will show you. Okay, so here's this first dress. First of all, it's very lightweight, has some wonderful movement at the bottom, has the slits on the side here, but luckily it doesn't come up too high since I had gone to a petite, so I'm glad to see that. It hits me right below the knee, and it has this tie waist. I love the colors in it. They're nice, bright, and cheery in the pinks, the navy blue, the bright reds and oranges, pinks, yellow, every color you could think of here for summer. It just is a really pretty dress for the summer. It'd be great for picnics, but also for even weddings. I do have some wrinkles in here that I didn't get a chance to get out for you before this video, but I think if I just put it in the dryer, it probably would be good. I don't even know if I would have to steam it, but I think this is such a pretty dress. What do you guys think of this one? For $35, I'm really liking it. And you guys can see this neckline is not too high. It has the double straps here at the top. All right, let's get to the next look. Okay, so for my second look is this really pretty dress in these gorgeous blues and greens. How pretty is this dress? So it does have the tiered bottom. It also has some pink in it. I just put on with silver flats just for a more casual look. Here's what it looks like. And I'm just in love with this. I'm pretty sure I went with a petite for this one too. So this one is, yeah, the petite shimmer floral ruffle sleeve. I got this one also for just $35. And I love a dress in the summer. It's one thing, you throw it on, you're ready to go. I wear them even when I'm just staying at home. My husband's always asking me, where are you going? A lot of times the answer is nowhere. But I can easily just throw this on and I'm set for the day. This one is probably too pretty not to leave the house in because I just think it's gorgeous, has some fun play. It's fitted here at the top, creates a nice waist for you. And I do want to show you that it does have the shimmer. So it's called Shimmer. Hopefully it's showing up on camera, but it does have a nice silver shimmer running through it. It has this cute little V. It does have a little button here at the top that you can button, which I wouldn't be able to do because I don't like anything like that tight to my neck. It does have the ruffles here at the top as well. Just gorgeous. I really hope you guys can see the shimmer coming through in this pattern. It has a shimmer running through like stripe. Here's like hopefully I'm pointing it out, you guys can see it. I absolutely love this dress. $35. So pretty. Love it. You can so easily dress this up for work or for a wedding. Just so many endless options. You could even put a belt on with it and dress it up. All right, I have more. Okay, so now we're switching to shorts. And I picked out these super fun colored shorts with, this is a navy blue background and the fun floral print. And these are called the Zinnia Double Weave Riviera short in Forever Navy. I got these for $20. Like, how awesome are these prices? $20 for these fun shorts. They do have pockets on the side which are sewn shut. They have awesome stretch to them. Wider at the part of your leg that is the largest. Fun, fun, fun print. And I put on my tank I had on today in this bright, fun neon, which I think just livens it up a bit. You could easily just do white as well. And you could dress these up or go casual. $20. Super fun. So far, I'm liking my picks. Of course, they're my picks, so I'm not surprised. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so now I have on these fun palm leaf paper bag waist style short. These have the fun little tie. They have pockets. They're a fun neutral, so even though they're a pattern, I thought you could pretty much wear anything on top with them. And I really like these. So I did have to pop them in the dryer for a little bit to try to get some of the wrinkles out since they just came out of the plastic. So that's the only thing. You probably would want to wash and hang dry and then fluff. But these are super cute as well. What do you guys think of these? Also wider at the bottom part of your leg. They have elastic at the back part of the waistband. They have the little tie. I think these are another fun short. These are called the palm tie waist short, and these were also $20. Most of these shorts, the original price was $49.50. Love these too. Looks nice with the neon pop. All right, get a little bit closer just so you guys can see this print. And I just have one last item to show you, which is a pair of fun little crops I got. Okay, so I have the last item on, which is these super fun cropped, stretchy, ribbed black pants. And I love them. So when I looked at them online, I wasn't sure about them because I couldn't really tell what the fabric was. And I debated back and forth about getting them, and I'm so glad that I did. So this is a super stretchy, comfy fabric. They're wide leg, as you can see. You could dress these up, dress them down, lounge, make them lounge wear, or heels on and a blazer and a nice white tee and wear them to the office and look spectacular. So I really am glad I purchased these. These are called the Loft Beach Ribbed Wide Leg Crop Pant, and I paid $41.70 for them. And that's the last item. And I love these. So I just put them on with a cute little pair of espadrille that I got from Old Navy in a leopard print. And I have on my same tank. This would be more of a casual look, obviously. Let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see these. And hopefully it's coming across on camera that these are ribbed. So fun. All right, so I actually really enjoyed my purchases. Let's do a quick wrap up. So what did you guys think of that try on and this haul? I actually really did like it. So I actually really loved my picks this time. I think almost as much as my last Loft haul, which had all those fun palm prints in it. I really did love that one as well. So I'm really happy about it. So just as an FYI, I think everything, so all 5 pieces, was only about $140 for everything. Not bad. 2 dresses, 2 pair of shorts, and a pair of pants. That's really an amazing deal. Yeah, these little pants, I'm going to give you another close-up just in case you couldn't see it while I had them on. You can see that ribbing. Super stretchy, awesome fabric, dress up, dress down. Just a really nice look. I actually need to tell my mom about these. She likes pants like this. She's super petite though, only 5 feet tall. So if that, so I'm going to have to see if these come in a petite for her, but she would love a pant like that. yeah, love the palms in this one. And really it would go so many different colored tops. These are just adorable. Love, love, love the print in this dress, and this one was adorable on as well. Tell me what your favorites were. I will link everything down below in case you want to check any of them out for yourself. The Loft has been running some awesome deals, as so many places have been lately, so I will put them all below. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I so very much appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Would love you to hit that subscribe and hang out for the long haul. And if you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. My subscribers are the very best. You guys are amazing. I love reading your comments, so please do comment below. You guys always make my day better every time I read your comments. I do try to answer as many as I can. I know I'm really behind. It's been a bit of a crazy time for me lately, but I do try to answer as many as I can, but I do read every single comment. Thanks so much. Until next time, guys, please stay healthy and well. Bye.